Assalamualaikum. You are watching Lively English Language. I am Usma. Hope that you all are good and happy. Today it's a very interesting day. Today you are learning recipe. A recipe name is Day Delight. Okay, and we make this recipe with some ingredients and with a method. Before learning, kindly subscribe my channel. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what ingredients they are. For this recipe, we need 1 cup of dates. We take it out the seeds from it, and 1 cup of biscuits. We chopped it in grinder, coconut powder, and almond powder. And here is 2 tablespoon ghee or butter or oil as you wish. Okay, it's up to you. We first of all we heat this ghee on the fire, and we put the pan, and we add some oil in it, and then we warm it, and then we add these dates in it, and we roast these a little bit, and then we add chopped biscuits, and then we add some um, almond chopped almond in it, and we remove it from the fire, and we make the ball with the hand, and we apply this coconut powder coconut chopped coconut on these balls, and now they are ready to serve. Okay, you have made this recipe with this yummy recipe, and I think you all might have learned a lot today. Try it and use these method, and uh, enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.